the teaching. Until now, it's 22 years already. So homely teaching never stop. The training never stop. The software research and the development never stop. So first, happy birthday to homely and happy birthday to Singapore. Tomorrow is Singapore birthday, right? And also happy birthday to all members, all friends whose birthday is this month. I know a lot of members is in August birthday. Previous year, we have big seminar, grand seminar at Novotel and other place. So usually 100 people attend. We can celebrate together. But now during the COVID-19, we will celebrate online. So today, tomorrow, and Monday, 3 days totally, we have very good, excellent courses for you. And during these 3 days, you can also come office, City Hall Bishan and Jurong East, but make appointment first. We can also come office. And a happy holiday to all of us. And this is the course arrangement, and also have some promotions. Today we have 3 seminars. Today have 3. This morning one is English given by me, and the afternoon one is first is given by teacher Robert Chinese, and second one also Chinese given by teacher Joy. For members only, and the Sunday tomorrow 2 to 4:30 given by teacher John, also member course, and the Monday 2 to 4:30 is given by teacher Robot for public. All of us can attend, also can invite friends attend. And this is the promotions, and later we will see the promotions for mobile, for good coins. We all have 40% discount for members. Only homely members can have this discount. 9 member cannot, must pay full amount if we want to use. So all members, if your mobile app data want to renew or you need some coins during these 3 days, today, tomorrow, and Monday, these 3 days, we all have 40% discount. So this is the promotions for member. And today our topic is the best trading way after National Day. So the main contents have 4 parts. The first one is homely 22 years philosophy, and the second one is the global index movement. Third one is the best trading way after National Day, and the fourth one is the hot sectors and the strong individual shapes analysis. So for new friends and new members, have a brief introduction. This is me. My name is Cherry Liu, and I'm come Singapore is in 2009, and until now, give training to homely members for more than 10 years already. So all the indexes and the courses we set here is only for teaching purpose, not for recommendation. So every one of us, we should be responsible for our own investment. Okay, so this is the calendar, the market turning point calendar. Every homely members take last year end 2019 December, and this year beginning 2020 January, February, we have this market turning point calendar. So this year end, we will have next year market turning point calendar. Turning point means the market will change direction or will change the speed. Going up, turning down will change. So here we got 5 different color. The blue color, dark blue, means solar term turning point. And the pink color is solar term delayed turning point. TP means turning point. And the light blue one means Fibonacci turning point. And the yellow one is spiral calendar turning point. And the dark yellow is delayed spiral calendar turning point. So from in August we have 3 turning points. The first one is August beginning, August 3rd, and the second one is August 7th. It's yesterday. So you see, yesterday nearly all Asian market pull back only very few is rising, others all pull back in correction. So the turning point can help us to make some preparation before the market going up or before the market turn down. Next one is August 24th. As the 22nd is Saturday, no trading, so it will move to next trading day is 24th. We also should mind the turning point here. If members still didn't get this turning point calendar, you can call this customer service hotline. Call this hotline and can collect this one 98367638. We can call this hotline to get the calendar. It's a free one for member and very helpful in our next half year trading and investment. So the first philosophy is here: index first and stock next. Stock next. For this philosophy, we have 3 steps. First is the index analysis, index, the global index. And the second one is the sector index analysis. And the third one is the individual stock analysis. So if we make analysis step by step, follow this way, our shares will be very strong and much stronger. So this kind of share is very easy and safe to make profit and also can make sustainable profit. So let's see one by one. First, let's look at the index. This one is Singapore market STI. We use homely feature indicator, homely Taiji signal and the time black hole can tell us the turning point, the support and the resistance. This one is to predict the market next movement. See, at the June beginning appear the yellow Taiji signal. At the March end appear the blue Taiji signal. So we know the blue Taiji signal will be bottom catch, and the yellow signal will be top escape. So from March end until June beginning, April and May, these 2 months is our best profit for blue chips. As blue chips, the member of STI will follow the movement of STI. But from June until 9th August, these 2 months, it's a small rebound, pull back more. It's the midterm is downtrend. So presently, we see the yellow candlestick, the yellow Taiji signal will be our resisting level. The time black hole will be our support level. Even this week, Monday pullback, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday rising, and Friday pullback again. Also hit the rainbow lines resistance. So this rebound is a small rebound. But after small correction, if pulled back to the time black hole have support, it will rise again. It depends on the money flow, the red bar increase or not. If the red bar also increasing, means the big money flow in, so the price have power to rise more. If not, it will continue sideways here. So not very strong, not very strong. The big trend, the white line turning down, the big trend is bearish down. The blue line also turning down, so the midterm and the long term also bearish down. Presently, it's only midterm sideways as the yellow line is flat. Midterm sideways, a few 3 weeks to a few months will sideways here. Inside these 2 levels, big trend is bearish. For Malaysian market, also very interesting. This is a KLCI. So the March and March 25th, the time black hole and the blue bottom catch, the Taiji signal appear. So here we can consider catch bottom from March end until June. Here is August and the middle of July until July, it's a very good time to make profit, a lot of profits, 1000% for many individual shares these few months. So the index also very strong, but from the chart we see the white line still flat. The white line flat means the big trend is still sideways. Big trend long term is sideways, and currently the previous high is the pink box will be our resistance level. From June, here is June beginning, here is July. So hit the resistance, pull back, rebound again, hit the resistance, pull back again. So for Malaysia market, currently the time black hole and the yellow Taiji signal will be support level, and above the previous high, many years previous high will be resistance level. So continue sideways inside here. Not so easy to break up, but also not so easy to big drop, as the money still here, the big money still here. Most of the part is red bar, but the red bar is below purple line and the purple line turned down. So that's the reason why the price cannot break up. No power to rise. That's the side way here. Okay. This one is the Hong Kong market. Hong Kong market also not so strong as the white line is turned down. So the big trend is bearish down. We only have some midterm rebound. The yellow line turn up is rebound, but from July until now, all lines converge together and flat. So means the short term, midterm, long term sleeping here. Presently, the support level is the previous low and also the time black hole. The resistance is the previous high and also the white line double confirm. So price will continue sideways, continue sleeping inside the rainbow lines. The white line, blue line, yellow line, and the red line, price will sleeping inside the rainbow lines until choose the new direction, break up or break down. This one is China mainland, the Shanghai index. From this one, we see the white line a bit turn up, the yellow line turn up, the blue line turn up. So it means what? Means midterm and the long term, the trend is okay. Presently, the red line is flat, so only short-term correction. And the resistance level is the yellow Taiji signal. Yellow Taiji signal is the resistance level, but the support, first support will be the time black hole. Second support will be the gap. So also sideways here. If break up the pink box, we should have new space to rise more. If break down the white box, we should mind the risk. It will pull back more. So presently, only short-term rebound, short-term correction, and whenever the short-term correction finish or we see the red bar break up purple line, we should have more space to go for Shanghai index. And then let's look at the US market. US market, the Dow Jones, no matter what the news, no matter what the information, every day a lot of all kinds of fundamental informations and news, but the market continue here. Okay, you worry, you dare not to enter, you just wait and see, you miss a lot of good chances to make big profits. So you see from March and this is the 23rd March until now, until June 10th, it's always rising, very strong rebound, nearly go back to the previous high. But after June 11 until now, it's sideways and a bit rising. Presently, the only resistance is previous the yellow Taiji signal here. Yellow Taiji signal, overbought signal is our currently resistance level. So if this level can effectively break up, we should have more space to go. As in this week, the whole week continue rising. And also the money continue flow in. The money continue flow in. So tomorrow afternoon, the topic is the market strategy around the US general election, USGE general election. So before that, before November 3rd, the market have a lot of chances to do. Okay. So nearly hit the yellow tag signal resistance. If this level can break up and also the money continue flow in, it may follow the SPX and the Nasdaq. We see SPX presently the white line also a bit turn up. The red line, the green line, yellow line all turn up. So means the short term, mid term, long term all turn up. And also the price nearly hit the previous high resistance. It's around 3400, 3400 SPX. If this resistance level can break up, it will hit new high. So even cannot break up, if pull back the time black hole, it will be the first support level. Time black hole, and also here June 10th, the yellow tag signal will be our support level. So only a small minor correction first, as the big trend is okay. Once the trend confirmed, it is not so easy to change direction. And also most part is red bar, the money still here. Okay, SPX. This one is the Nasdaq. From this chart we see Nasdaq is really very strong. The technology shares and 100% from March until now. 6 months, 4 months, 100% profits were received. So this one have a hit history new high. You know what's the meaning? For some individual shares, say for Singapore market, we have nearly 20. For Malaysia market, have nearly 40. Hong Kong market, hundreds. US market, hundreds. So for the individual shares, if hit history new high, so it means above no resistance. It will continue rising every time after the small correction finish. After small pullback, it will rise more. Small pullback, it will rise more as the short term, mid term, long term all rising, and also the money flow confirm the price rising. Okay, so if pull back, so the previous high will be the first support level, and the rainbow lines will be all support level, all support. So still very strong, continue very strong. The red bar break up purple line, the money continue flow in, so continue rising. So this is the index. And then from the index, we see the US market is very strong, and then it's the Malaysia market, then it's China mainland, and then it's Hong Kong and Singapore. So we see some sector index. Even the index is not very strong, but if we choose the right sector, we choose the right individual share, still no problem. Even the market is very bearish down, we still can got many strong shares to consider. If the index is very bearish, at least 10% of individual shares is bullish rising. So we only choose the strong share to consider. This one is the above is Singapore market and lower is the Malaysia market. We see the sector movement. Yesterday is Friday. We see Singapore market, the best sector is healthcare, and the Malaysia market, the best sector is consumer. So this is the most strong share, most strong sector. And we see the sector index. This is Singapore healthcare index. For Singapore healthcare, we have 33 individual shares. This is the sector index. From this sector, we see at March end it's rising, and June small pullback, pullback to white line have support, and from July until now continue rising again. So for Singapore market, the healthcare individual shares we still can follow, as presently the price above all rainbow lines and the money continue rising. So this sector still strong. Just mind the previous high resistance. The previous high resistance may have small correction, but the big trend still okay. This one is Singapore information technology sector index. So this one also very clear. From March until now, very strong. The short term, mid term, long term all rising, and big fish here. So another sector we can consider is the information technology. Just like recently, the AEM, the high P, the venture all moving, because they all belong to the information technology, and this sector is very strong. So we choose the strong individual share to consider. This one is Singapore financial share. If we only focus on the bank shares or the financial shares, you see from March end until June is okay. But from June until now, these 2 months is pullback, sideways, no big chance. Presently, even the price above white line, the price still above white line, but the yellow line will be the resistance level. So if this sector can break up the yellow line, and for DBS, for OCBC, for UOB, and then we have chance. But presently, the money continue flow out. So not the most strong share for us to consider. See, this few months, if we only focus on this sector or these shares, will waste the market chance, cannot make so much profit. This is the energy sector index, Singapore market, the energy. The price also above the white line, so it means the big trend is okay. And only have some mid-term and short-term correction. Presently, hit the yellow line, rebound, hit the blue line, rebound. Just see the yellow line can break up or not. See if the yellow line can effectively break up, and the next sector we can also consider. So the best one still the healthcare, the information technology, and the next one is the financial and the energy. Uh, the information is better, but the financial and the energy sector we have chance, just depending on it can break up the yellow line or not. See, if can break up a yellow line, and after that we have chance, so we can put in the watch list and watch and see. This one is Malaysia market, the healthcare sector index. We see Malaysia market, we have a lot of shares, the Supermax, the Top Glove, and also many other shares rising more than 10,000% in the past 3 or 4 months, but not finished yet. You see, the sector index, short-term, mid-term, long-term, very beautifully uptrend. And also most part is red bar, the money still here. So if the money here, the price have the power to rise more. Even have some pullback, even have some correction, but all is short-term correction. 6 to 10 days short-term correction. Whenever the correction finish, hit the lifeline, it will rise more, rise again. So this is the Malaysia healthcare sector index. And after the sector index, we come to see the individual shares. We just click the technical filter, and on the right side, click extract. We can extract this market, all the sectors. See, from Singapore market, we take Singapore market for example, for Hong Kong, for US, for Malaysia, for all other markets, the same operation. We just click eject and then the system sector will appear automatically. We click healthcare and then click open. So all the healthcare shares 33, it will appear. Inside I have many, we know already, right? Just like the Riverstone here, and many others, Meditech, and many others have rising or just began to rise. And also we can see some other have not rise yet. If you think some share is too high already, you dare not to follow and then can focus on the one not rising yet. So this is the individual share. We just make some comparison. Yeah. Above one is UG Healthcare, and the lower one is SPH, and we take Singapore market for example. So you see for above one, the same market, the same period from March, from April until now, if we choose the healthcare, UG Healthcare, from 15 cents. Last Saturday is $2.54, and yesterday is $3.26. So you just calculate how much profit we can get. But if we focus on the blue chips, if we buy SPH, you see how much we lose the same market, the same period, and you know how our wealth accumulates and how your wealth gone disappear. It's all depending on our choice. And this one is the Malaysia market. We also take the Supermax and the Malaysian Maybank for example, and we just make the comparison. We see the difference. If we choose Supermax from April until now, it's $1.30. Last Saturday is $18.50, but yesterday is $23 plus $23, $1. You see how much profit we get already. But if we choose Maybank, $8, $7, just a small loss or small gain, pocket money and coffee money, or even lose money. And the Hong Kong market also the same. If we choose right, you see 100% back. But if we choose wrong, it's very easy to lose money. Even the market have so many chances to make money. US market also the same. Above is SE and the lower is Bank of America. See, if we choose above one, April is 35 plus. Now, last Saturday is 124, but yesterday high is 146. You see this week another $20 rising, only 1 week. But if we choose another one, even not lose money, but also cannot make money, 2018, no big difference, right? So this is the smart choice. It's much more important than our hard work. You are not lazy. You learn a lot. You check every day. But if you choose wrong, the harder you work, the more you lose. But if our choice is right, even we don't look at every day, just like most of us, we give class, we help family to take care, help children to take care, cannot focus on every day, but still no problem. Still 100% back, have the profits. So that's the choice. And for same market and the same period, only April until now, 3 months, but the profit is a great difference. What makes the difference? It's our choice. but how can we choose the right share? And how can we to be the one who make big money in stock market? So this one we can get from homely philosophy, use homely chart. If we have this philosophy, we know which sector is stronger, which index is stronger, and then we will choose the strong shares inside the strong sector and inside the strong market. And also all this, we use homely chart to help us. Even Singapore market, we have hundreds in trading every day. So which share is strong, is the best choice? Homely chart can help us to do the filter. So with homely philosophy, with homely chart, we can do the smart choice. We can choose rightly, and then this is the premise for us to make money. Okay, so for homely rainbow, homely rainbow is one of homely feature indicator. Homely rainbow can help us to follow the trend. If the trend is uptrend, it's very easy to make money. Anytime you buy, even we not buy the best interpoint, every time the short-term correction finish, we all have chance. Short-term correction finish, it will be another chance. Okay, this is a strong share and a strategy to do no matter after the National Day, but also always. I hope everyone of homely member, everyone of the new friends, you should know which share is strong, and the strong will be stronger. We always follow the trend, follow the market to make the fat profits. So if the trend is okay, homely rainbow help us to follow the trend, follow the long-term trend, the mid-term trend, the short-term trend, and then help us to make money. Very easy, right? This is Hong Kong market, also the same pattern. Hong Kong market, the price above all rainbow lines and the big fish come, so the price continue rising. If price move above all rainbow lines, and also rainbow lines is red line, green line, yellow line, blue line, and a white line, so means the short term, mid term, long term, all rising, all uptrend. So every time the correction finish, the pullback finish, it will be our new chance again. US market, the same pattern, right? The same pattern. After 6 to 10 days short-term rising, definitely it will some pullback, but only short-term pullback. As the green line still above and the price above green line, so still have life, and also the big fish here. So small correction finish, it will continue rising more. But if this kind of share, very difficult to make money. Even the God cannot help you. You see the white line turning down, right? White line turning down means the big trend is bearish down. The big trend is bearish. So we only have some short-term and mid-term rebound. Every time the rebound finish, short-term rebound finish, the rebound finish, it will pull back more. So this kind of share, it's very, very difficult to make money. The risk is more than profit. But if we sell short, it is the best choice, first choice. But if we buy long, better not touch. Okay, and for this one, the same sideways have some rebound, but can only make small money, no big money, as the white line is turning down. White line turning down, the rebound can be big, can be small, can be no rebound at all. Nobody knows. So risk more than profits. Even rebound, we can only make small money, cannot 100,000%, cannot big money. So can only use short-term small capital to do. This can also the same, right? Can only make small money, no big chance. So homely rainbow itself is the homely investor philosophy. Long term first, short term next. we look at the white line. The white line can tell us the long term is bull or bear. We have 100% profits or not. And the red line is short term. See, if the white line turns down, we only have the short term and mid-term chance, no big chance. If the white line turns up, and then it's a long-term chance, big chance, okay? So you see, if price above all the rainbow lines and the white line turn up, so it means at least it will rise in 1 year and maybe many years. If the white line turn up, every time the correction finish, it will be our other chance. The short-term or mid-term correction finish can rise again, can rise more, can have more chance. Okay, very easy. The same pattern. So all strong shares like this, all strong shares have the same pattern. Price above all rainbow lines, especially above the green line, even have some pullback. Usually pull back to green lifeline or pull back to yellow line, it will rise more. It will continue as it's a strong share and the trend, the big trend is bullish rising. And why the price can continue rising 1 year, 2 year, rise so many years? It is depending on the money flow. So this indicator is another homely feature indicator, can help us to follow the big fish, follow the banker, follow the money flow. The red bar here means the institutional money, and the yellow bar means hot money. The green bar means retail money. So if we want to make big money, we must be with banker. If you are always follow retail investor, definitely make less, lose more, and locked repeatedly. But if we follow the big fish, we will lose less, make more, and continuously make profits. So this is the difference. We see for any market, for any share, if most part is a green bar, so the price will continue to drop. Small rebound, pull back more. Small rebound, pull back more. It will continue drop. But if most part is a yellow bar, the price will sideways, will sleeping. If most part is red bar, the red bar means big money, big fish. So the price will continue rising. The multicolored dragon can help us to follow the big fish. We just take one example. Take one example. All strong shares, all markets follow the same rules, the same pattern. So we see this share. So you see, previously, before it rising, nobody knows how far it will go, and nobody knows how long it will drop. Nobody knows. So we just follow. See, during this period, we see the red bar appear, and the red bar appear and rising, but the price sideways still in the box. So this one is from 2019 July, and here is 2020 January. Nearly half year, right? Nearly half year, the banker come, go, the price sideways, up, down, but continue move inside the box. So it means the banker just testing. It may have chance, but not enough. And then after break up the box, we have some chance to buy and also rising. Here is 500% profits, 500%. But after that, it pull back very quickly and pull back to the box again. So how to do next? This is one question, very good question and a very important question. If you can understand this pattern, you can understand how the banker moves, and then afterwards, all the strong shares will be yours. All the profits will be ours. Okay? So you see, until now, rise 500%, but then pull back all and pull back to the box support. So how to do next? So we see pull back, right? Pull back, but the red bar continue rising. The red bar continue rising, and then the price have power to rise more, continue rising, another 300%. From here to here, it's 300% profits. So presently, rebound again to the previous high, and also 2 weeks not hit new high, sideways here. And what to do next? Here is 500% profits. Here is 300% profits, and NAV rise to the previous high resistance again. And the 2 weeks didn't hit new high. So how to do next? We continue hold, we take profit and sell, or we just look and see, never touch, did not. See what happened? Even pull back to the previous high, but the big fish still here. Big fish still here, the money continue flow in, so the price have more power to rise more. Until here is around 20 cents. 20 cents rise to nearly $1. Another 500%, 500%, 500%. And then 5 days pull back 33%. The question is here. If every day rising, no problem. Everybody can tease, can make profit. Everybody happy. But the thing is, whenever the market have sideways, 2 weeks, 3 weeks not move, or big sharp drop, only 5 days, 33% drop already. So what to do next? The choice here determines our little profits. You make small money or you make big money. See, many people said, I do stock investment for 30 years already, but never make big money. Why? The question to think about. So here also question, why? How to do next? How to do next? See? Even 5 days pull back 33%, but after that, the money still here, continue rising, right? And here is 50 cents, and here is more than $1, 200% again, 200% again. And we can know the difference. I give back to the whole chart so we can see clearly. This one is Singapore individual share Meditech. Many homely members make money from this one. Some is dozens percent, some is 100%, some is 1,000%, and some is only pocket money, coffee money. But it's okay as long as we make money. See, we call back the rainbow, and we use the multicolor dragon. You see, you still scared or not? You can hold or not? See, all the healthcare shares, all the information technology shares, all like this. Before rising, it have half year, 1 year, 2 year, long-term sideways. The banker build the position, the banker collect the chips. And after the banker build the position, the price began to rise and have some correction, midterm correction or short-term correction, no problem. After the correction finish, it will rise again as long as the price above rainbow lines, as long as the white line turn up. So it means the long-term still bullish rising. So for midterm and long-term still it's rising. After the midterm correction, rise more. After short-term correction, rise more. So all the strong bullish shares follow the same pattern. So at first, see again, at first, the banker use half year, 1 year, 2 year to collect the chips to build the position. After the banker build the position, then it's time to rise in. In the rising, it helps some correction, but it doesn't matter. After correction finish, after hit the rainbow support line, after the money flow in again, it will continue rising. As previously, it used years to build the position, to prepare. But if hundreds, even thousands percent profits not come, the banker will not go, will not left. You know the rules. This is how the banker moves, how the banker operations. Okay, for Meditech, the same. For Supermax, also the same. See Supermax from April until August, less than 4 months, only 80 days. The profit is 1,264%. This is our profits. But this share itself is a strong share, rising many years already and continue hit new high. So for this kind of share, every time rising, it will have long-term correction, rise again, long-term correction, rise again. So all bullish strong shares follow the same pattern. So we see how it rise. Before rising, you see how many years? This one take 3+ years. The banker collect the chips, build the position. Once the position built already and break the box, break up the box, and after that is our chance. So you see, big fish here, the trend no problem. So we just buy and hold. Even have some short-term correction, doesn't matter. Short-term correction finish $5.50, continue again, more than $24, continue again. Okay, and this one, the same pattern, from January until now, half year is 356%. So all strong shares are many strong shares from year beginning. The banker build position already. Afterwards, it's the time to make money. Many shares you can see, even the index from January, February, the index have sharp drop, but a lot of individual shares, the banker build position 2019 year end and the 2020 year beginning, the banker build a position of already. The banker build position, the rainbow lines converge together, the price break up, and then it's our time to make profit. All the same. This one also, the banker use very long time to build the position, to collect the chips, and once the banker build the position finished, after that, it's the time to make profits. During this period, we have midterm correction, have short-term correction, but no problem. Every time the correction finish, the money flow in again, it will be other chance to rise more, to hit new high, continue rising. From $10, now it's 138, and still not finished. So all market, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and the US, we check already, and all strong shares follow the same pattern. So for our rational investment, for every retail investor, the rational investment, step by step, many people always look at the signal. The signal is the last important. The most important is trend. It takes the 70%. Trend is the most important in technical analysis. If we can really master the trend and then big profits, no problem. So we use homely rainbow to tell us the long term is bull or bear. The midterm is up or down. Even the short term, we have chance or not. And if the trend confirmed, the trend is uptrend, and then the money going up or the price can continue going up or not. It depending on the money flow. So the second indicator, we use multicolor dragon to follow the big fish. If most part is red bar, we have big chance. If most part is yellow bar, we have small chance. If most part is a green bar, only retail investor play here, we have no chance. And the last one is signal. Signal can tell us the buy point and the sell point. See if the trend confirmed, if the money flow no problem, the previous two steps confirmed, and then we follow the signal to buy and sell. In Homely chart, we have a lot of different signals, left side, right side, different signals. And today we can use strong signal. Just click on the right side, SGN, click signal, and then we click strong signal. So this signal will appear. This one is the right side trading rules according to the right side, not left side. Just like the Taiji signal, is a bit left side. It will forecast the price overbought and oversold. But for strong signal, it's a right side, follow the trend, have 4 different color candlestick. So this candlestick is not the normal candlestick. Normal candlestick only have the green color and the red color. The green color means intraday price is rising. The red color means intraday the price is going down. But here, the 4 color is a homely feature indicator. It's strong signal. The red color means the market from weak to strong. We can consider buy. The dark blue means it's a strong area. We can hold stock. We take buy long for example. If you sell short, just use the opposite signal. And the yellow means the market from strong to weak. We can consider short-term sell, short-term take profit. So the signal can only tell the short-term, and can only used in uptrend or downtrend. If sideways cannot use this signal. And the light blue means the market is weak. It's a weak area. We just hold money and wait for chance, wait for next chance. So you see, the first red candle buy, dark blue hold, yellow can take profit short term, and another chance again, but also can hold if we do mid long term. Later we will see. If for do mid long term, mid-term, we can follow the yellow line. If price above yellow line, no big problem. And the long term can follow the white line. So short term can follow the signal. And after short term correction finish, a signal appear again. So we can consider buy again. This way, see, for strong signal, it's the right side trading rules. Can use in uptrend, in downtrend, but cannot use in sideways market. See, all rainbow lines convert together. If all rainbow lines or some yellow line or blue line converts together, it means it's inside way. So sideways market, the signal will appear very repeatedly, not usable, not suitable to use. In uptrend is okay. The signal appear and also break up this level, so we can consider to enter. This one is July 24th. July 24th until now, 50 cents to $1.40. $1.40, nearly 300% already. So that's the power of the software, of the money flow. And this one also the same pattern and the same kind. It belong to the gold, regarding the gold. So this one also the same. Inside we cannot use, but the side we break up, the money flow in, we can consider. Also around 50 cents rise to more than $1.50. Only 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, 300% profits. So for this one, short term, after short term rising, it will help some pullback, and then we see this one will be much more safer. So this one, if have, it's okay, but if don't have, not better not to chase high, wait for correction. It will pull back pull back to half of the big candlestick or pull back to the gap if have support or another red signal appear, and then we consider again. If no signal, better wait and see. Just like this, the red signal, after some correction, after some pullback, the red signal will appear. Red signal appear, the red signal appear, and then we can consider to buy and hold. To buy and hold, no problem. But cannot chase high. See, rising, we see the short term is 6 to 10 days. If 6 to 10 days rising already, it's easy to chase high. After you bought, it will in correction. Better wait for the first red. See, 3 times. Wait for the signal appear. The premise is the trend is okay. Short term, mid term, long term, all trend is uptrend, and also money flow here, and then is a signal. Same pattern. The trend is okay, money flow here, so wait for the signal that we cannot use. Wait for signal, just the follow is very easy to do. So when can we take profit? If we choose the right share, we also bought very good, and the market rising, we also hold, but when can take profit? So for long-term investment, if price break down the white line, we can consider take profit. If for mid-term investment, long-term is more than 1 year, does not you hold forever, you leave to your children, to your grandchildren, does not mean like this. As the market have its own rules, long-term is more than 1 year, the bull and the bear, bullish rising and the bearish down, it have its own rules. We just follow. So if break down white line, we can consider take profit ready, even long-term investment, and wait for after 1 year, 2 year, many years correction finish, and when already we come another turn and make 100% profits again. For mid-term investment, we can follow the yellow line, and for short-term, we can follow the signal, the strong signal. So all signal is for short-term trading, and the yellow line can for mid-term. For example, we take this for example. For long-term investment, price break up rainbow lines, the white line turn up, we can buy and hold. As long as price above white line and also big fish here, no need worry, we can just hold. For midterm, we follow the yellow line. Break up yellow line, we buy. Break down yellow line, we sell. And once again, break up yellow line, we buy. Break down yellow line, we sell. So for midterm, and for short term, we can follow the money signal, the money break up or break down. We can follow the strong signal. So whenever the yellow signal appear, so it means after that it will have some correction. We can consider take profit first for short term. And here is how to filter. Just now we finished the pattern for bullish rising shares. We also learned the profit taking, when can buy, when can hold, when must sell for short term, mid term, long term. And the next question is, how can we find these strong shares? For every market, we have hundreds, thousands shares. Which one is our first choice? Which one is strong shares? So here, homely chart, this is a PC version. PC version can help us to filter whatever you want. The platform can do for us. You want short term, mid term, long term. You want buy long, sell short. The platform can all filter the right shares for us to consider. See, we use uptrend. Uptrend means short term, mid term, long term, all rising. For Singapore market, we just click filter. We got 35. We got 35 short term, mid term, long term, all rising. Even the share is uptrend, but does not mean every time we can buy. We must wait for the first red signal appear. The trend is uptrend, the money flow is okay. We wait for the first red candlestick. If the first red candlestick appear, and then it's our time to enter. If not, we can only wait and see, wait for next chance. Okay. This is the filter. One example. Here we got 10 different platforms. 10 different platforms. So all common indicator, homely feature indicator, we can use to filter. Very powerful. And for mobile also can filter. So this one is a homely mobile version, homely mobile software. See, if you you always go abroad or not so easy with PC together, and then maybe the mobile is a better choice. So in mobile app, we have the banker hunter indicators. So we just see follow the banker is very important. We just follow the banker operation, follow the banker movement, and then we can get the best profits from the market. So all these indicators, the banker chips means it will filter, or we can know which share the banker collect enough chips, build the position of already. After the banker chips appear, usually we have long-term chance. It will usually at least rise in 1 year or maybe many years. And the hot money attack is for short-term trading, hot money attack, short-term trading, and the BBD net difference also for short-term trading. See, if you also do Forex, Forex also can use this indicator. Many homely members do Forex, use BBD, very helpful, very quick. And you can use the minute chart, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and the money flow very obviously, and we can follow. The banker risk, so this one for mid-term, long-term, all can use. The banker holding position line, a bit like the trend line, and the banker controlling line. So no, this banker controlling line is a bit like the trend line. The banker holding position line can tell us the banker is buy or sell. Retail investor is buy or sell. So also very helpful, this indicator, not expensive, right? Now for homely members, we have 40% discount, 40% discount. So the banker holding position line, this one also very helpful. So all these banker hunter indicators, we got the video in our app, homely video. You can have the learning there for the banker hunter indicators. And here is for the mobile filter. In PC software, we can filter. In mobile version, the homely chart, we can also do the filter. So you see, all this is the banker hunter filter. We use the banker hunter indicator can help us to filter the shares, which one have banker chips, which one have hot money attack. So very powerful. This one is the black top technology. So the one can make the most money must be the one who use the most advanced technology. So very lucky, we are homely members, or you have friends in homely learning, so you know this technology. We have the chance to use this kind of technology. So all this one can help us to filter in the mobile, to filter the shares with the banker hunter indicators. Okay. This one is the robot. See, somebody say, I don't want to make analysis. I don't want to learn. Is there any other way? Have some robots help to filter, to tell us when to buy, when to hold, when must sell, and here also can homely we do the software research and development for 22 years already. So all kinds of software, all kinds of technology, we all have to meet different um, levels of different investors. So here we got five robots. All the videos we all available from the app Homely Video and also the website video.homelychat.com. We all got the videos to learn how the robot works. So today, the robots and the banker hunter indicators all used to good coin to buy in the shop. But today, all the coins have 40% discount. So here, we also, today is August the 8th, we also get this voucher to deduct. So for mobile app, the euro price is 980 each year, but now have 40% discount is only 588 each year. For good coins, usually is $1 one coin, but now is 60 cents one coin. Very, very cheap. Huh? So if we want, we can use check, can online transfer, can use credit card, and also can go to trade center, City Hall, B Central East, can go to this trade center to do the payment. If we want installment, see the DBS and the POSB credit card can use 6 months installment with 2% fees. For Standard Chartered credit card, can have 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months installment, but need some fees. If we want GrabPay to get the coins, also no problem. You just scan this QR code and then can use GrabPay. So for any other inquiries, we can call the customer service hotline. And today, tomorrow, and Monday, these 3 days, these 3 branches will open, but must call and make appointment first. See today, after class later, I will go to City Hall Center, meet some members to learn and do the payment. So if we want come City Hall, also no problem. Today till 9 p.m. should be no problem, but better call and make appointment first. Tomorrow and Monday, office also open. So if you don't want come, can do the online payment. But if you don't want to, the online can come office, no problem, always can. So here, with Homely Chart, just now we say we have the analysis system, not only in PC version, but also in mobile version, we have the analysis system. This share is bull or bear, is a big money play or retail investor play. We have chance or not, can do analysis for us. And then we have the scanning system, can help us to filter the right share, the strong share to consider. We have the trade standard system, have the statistics system, and also have the predict system. See the next support, the next resistance, the next turning point, all this will be in the advanced classes. So with Homely Chart, with Homely philosophy, we can always pick the strong shares to consider. No matter bullish market or bearish market, they always have these rules. 70% people big lose big money. 20% people make small money or lose small money. Only 10% people make big money. So which one you want to be? No matter in bullish market or bearish market, no matter buy long, sell short, no matter short-term trading or mid long-term investment, in stock market always have these rules. Always have these rules. Especially for new friends, if you are new in the stock market, congratulations, you know homely at the first time. So you just learn and follow lifelong, can get the benefits. But for friends, you have 20 years, 30 years, even more than 40 years experience in the stock market, but still cannot make safe and sustainable profits, or sometimes make money but sometimes lose back all. Or for the friends who never make profits yet, all welcome to join Homely. So here we are a very big family with the philosophy, with the feature indicators, with the teachers training and guidance. So we can be the 10% people who can make safe and sustainable profits in the stock market. And also we can to be the 20% of the people in the world who can master the 80% of the resources. And not like enough 80% of the people just to share the 20% of the resources. So at the beginning of class, we see the choice. Smart choice is much more important than hard work. And in our life, in our career, all the same, our choice. You choose to continue lose money, to up, down, make money and lose back again, or you choose to make safe and sustainable profits. It's all depending on ourselves. But with Homely here, we cannot make 100 guarantee every time you make huge, make big profits. But we can earn more, lose less, and never be locked here. From 1998 until now, 20 years in 8 countries, and we have centers all over the world. We have thousands of members, Homely members, together with us. And also, in the past 12 years, we only focus on 2 things. The first is training. So technical analysis, the market practical knowledge, we can all get here from Homely. And the second one is the tools, the software. So 22 years and 5 bulls, 4 bears all over the world. The people use the 22 years already and experienced many times bull, many times bear, and until now, more and more friends join member. So you see, many friends very interesting. You in homely learning, you attend class, you may see your classmates at the primary school. You may see your relatives, and you may see your colleagues. So all join member already. Even you never mind homely to them, you never introducing them, but they all members already. You all meet here. So you see, I believe years later, after years, more and more friends will join homely, and together with us, we make money together. Okay, so the homely software is very easy to learn. The knowledge also very friendly to use, and the accuracy is very high. And once we learned, lifelong benefits. So this one is designed for retail investor. Don't say, I just the small fish. I don't have much money. But if we do the investment, we want to make big money to accumulate our wealth. So for retail investor, even you start from 2,000, 5,000, all deserve the software to join member to learn. So the homely chart, the accuracy at least is 87.4, not 100 guarantee, but we can earn more, can lose less, and never be locked here afterwards. Okay, here is the membership, the package, the lifelong learning technical analysis knowledge, and the software uses. No need worry, you cannot learn. See, we don't go to master, we don't go to college. I don't have much knowledge. Doesn't matter. I have many members. The grandma, more than 84, more than 84, they still learning. Just in case they will be, how to say, they follow the society, follow, learn some new things to keep life, keep fresh. So this is very good, not only for elderly members, elderly friends, but also for younger one, the young generation, yeah, more than in their 20s, 30s, and the younger, more and more younger friends also join homely learning. So it's lifelong free learning, lifelong free learning. Guarantee the technical knowledge and software everyone of a homely member can learn. The second one is the newest version of homely software. We always in our hand is the newest version. This update and the maintenance all free, and the video, app homely video or online video, also lifelong learning. The package here, the Asia market is Singapore, Malaysia, and Hong Kong global index. The US market is US and Canada. It's a separate package. And also professional books, one-to-one coaching, and can served at all homely centers. So also, if one joint member, say your husband, your wife, your son, your daughter, can all learn together. So this is the whole package. So at homely here, we can have the knowledge, can have the truth, and can have the right mindset. Together, we can success in the stock investment. All the courses, basic one, middle one, advanced one, lifelong learning. Not like others, right? Thousands you paid, but only limited time to learn. But here is lifelong learning. The price lifelong package is 6660 plus GST, and the standard package is 2980 plus GST. After that, we can pay yearly subscription, also can top up to lifelong member. So this is the package here. And every day for us is a new beginning, and every learning is a new start. So best wishes for everyone, and the homely will always be here for you. Today, our topic nearly finished, and see you next time. Hope everyone have a very happy holiday, and in our stock investment can make a big progress. Okay, bye. See you next time. Mm. 对呀，谢谢。